Hi friends, come with us as we visit Brunch 101 in Hoquiam, Washington. Brunch 101 is kind of famous around these parts, not just because they open for brunch, which is a combination of breakfast and lunch, if you didn't know, but some of their menu items are legendary. The Brunch 101. Mom and I invited our friend Erin to come along and pick as many items as we could handle off their amazing menu.
What are you looking at on the menu? What's looking good?
The toast, I really want the avocado toast.
Yeah, you like avocado toast. What else looks good?
I'd say probably,
Nope, it's one-sided.
wow.
Wow.
What's this?
That's drink menu for me and Erin. Sorry, not for you, kiddo. And milk.
They have a thing called
Ocean Beach Roasters Drip Coffee. Oh, it's coffee.
I know, but
Yeah.
still.
That's cool.
Milk.
Okay.
They got iced tea.
They have mango lemonade.
I saw that.
But what do you want for breakfast? You want just milk, maybe?
We finally settled on 2 different menu items for each of us. I had the avocado toast, and Mom had the bennies. I also had cheesecake French toast, and Mom had the Monte Cristo.
Oh, that's mine? Ocean, look. That is also mine.
French toast.
That is Ocean's, yes.
Brownie.
And she also has the avocado toast.
I only have so many.
I know. Okay,
What's that?
that's just a sprig of mint.
You guys need anything else?
I'll take some hot sauce. Yeah, that'd be great.
This looks like cake.
Okay, hold on. So, I gotta show what we got. Basic, it looks good. Avo toast. Oh, the berry French toast. Look at how thick that piece of toast is. You can't even see it. Thank you. Monte Cristo and Benny. Oh, 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 oh. What do you think, Ocean? Are you gonna give your review here after you get done digging in?
Yeah, but first, let's eat.
Let's eat. Okay.
Great company.
This is good. Oh my God, look at this. Holy cow.
The first thing I'm gonna try is my.
Avo toast. Do you want to cut it? You just want to take a bite. Just dig in. Take a bite.
I'm going to.
Eat over the plate though, because it is going to be a runny egg. Yep. Okay. Good. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that.
Best breakfast ever. While Mom and Erin chatted it up, I chowed down.
Okay. What are you thinking?
This is so good.
Okay. It looks amazing. Yeah. How about the avo toast?
Perfect.
Perfect. Awesome.
Now time for my rating.
Time for what?
Rating.
Rating? Okay, what's your rating so far?
I'd say this is probably a 9 out of 10.
Wow. Okay. What about the avo toast?
I bet like we can make this at home, so I'd also say a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Continue eating.
It was a lot of food, but I definitely walked away full and happy, and a little bit of leftovers to take home. If you get the chance to visit Hoquiam, make sure to stop at Brunch 101 for the best brunch in the land. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye, friends!